Hello guys! So we are here at Feli's Bar and Grill. So welcome to the action. Yeah. So we are here in Angeles City for 1 week. So today our second day. So yeah, I have a vlog but then I didn't I didn't edit yet guys. Probably tomorrow I will upload one videos, the one that we are traveling from Manila. So hello everyone, welcome to my live. Hello to our viewers out there. Yeah. So welcome to the action of walking street.
Ito, kasama ko kaibigan ko. Kumain lang ako sa labas natin.
What do you plan to eat though? What do you eat?
Right now is anything because not that
Anything?
much hungry.
Eh?
Yeah, anything because not that much hungry.
Not right now. We can wait. Next week we'll have room for fruits and whatever that.
Oh,
And coffee. You can drink.
yeah. I have room
What
for
you got
that.
today?
Yeah, we can have that. And we can drink coffee later.
Let's say I don't want to, eat so much that I can. So what is gonna take? What will eat? Yeah.
So this is Bailey's Bar and Grill. So right now it's not a lot of people. Hello.
Hello.
This is like a quick live only guys. So I'm probably gonna end this after 15 minutes. It depends how long I can handle. Look at that.
You can check the hotel next door if you want to check.
Tomorrow.
This.
Oh, it is one. Oh.
What do you want to do? You want to go mall? You want to eat there?
Oh no.
Eh? Oh, yeah. Right.
I don't want to walk that. But we'll see that grilled fish, the bangus, we'll see that one. Then I can eat. Then we're just gonna buy rice. And how about you then? You can eat that, but then I know it's not gonna be enough for us. We just can get.
You eat that. Me, I can buy chicken. Buy chicken. Okay. Because we're gonna have coffee.
Yeah.
I want the bread which we got today to go waste. So I can buy just chicken, like 2 pieces of chicken and
Yeah.
KFC here.
So
You
while
can order buko.
yeah, buko.
Just work for her buko.
Buko shake.
Buko shake. Yes, that's it. Yes,
Wala.
for now, thank you. Don't forget your. The fish, I think you should buy on time before they sell out.
I mean, don't worry, if it's not available, then you can have it.
Then what?
You can get another one. Maybe spicy noodles.
Pagkagalan!
Jollibee, that's fried chicken. There's no like, KFC, I know there's no there, so no more.
Yeah.
There's no McDonald's here. Oh, yeah. Maybe you need to come a little earlier. So maybe you need to come a little earlier. So you can get the spot over there. Like,
Yeah.
today's night. Checking out on Sunday. So it's not weekend for another place. Why?
You see that? Remember that one, the small one?
He's always there. They have plug over here. They don't know there's one over here. They don't know. Outlet right there. And that's the
Yeah.
what happened.
So you like an order for you?
Say that again. What did you say?
You like gonna get for your drinks? For your drinks. Oh, gano ka
I don't
yung
want
drink?
alcohol.
Thank you.
I don't really want alcohol.
Oo, sana sabi niya kanina pag
Try na. Try.
See, this is really fresh boko juice. I shake. Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Very good to much water.
Oh, try. It's good. Try yan, no? You can try.
Oh, this is not alcohol.
No. Just a shake. No alcohol. Make you awake.
not really taste boko, a little bit.
Yeah, you taste it. Ah, finish.
Use it. I'm gonna have dinner. Go back lang. I don't want you this kind of cake.
So that is for today's live, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So tomorrow I will be doing live again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Right, anybody watching?